Ever wondered how to make the perfect classic American hamburger? The secret to a great burger starts with the meat. Now, you might be thinking, it's just ground beef, right? But oh my friends, there's so much more to it than that. Picture this. A burger that's juicy, flavorful, with just the right amount of sizzle. That's the dream, isn't it? Well, it's not just a dream. It's entirely possible. And it all begins with choosing the right kind of meat. You see, not all ground beef is created equal. Some cuts are leaner, some are fattier, and the type you choose can drastically change the taste, texture, and juiciness of your burger. So, what's the magic formula? We recommend a blend of ground chuck and sirloin. Why these two, you ask? Well, ground chuck provides that rich, beefy flavor we all love, while sirloin adds a touch of luxury with its tender, melt-in-your-mouth quality. But it's not just about the flavor. The blend of these two cuts gives you the perfect fat-to-lean ratio. That's right, the fat content is just as important as the type of meat. A good guideline to follow is 70% lean to 30% fat. This ratio ensures your patties will be juicy and flavorful, not dry and bland, because let's face it, no one likes a dry burger. Now, you might be tempted to go for the leanest ground beef you can find, thinking it's healthier. But remember, when it comes to burgers, fat is flavor. And trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Choosing high-quality meat is also crucial. Opt for organic grass-fed beef if you can. This not only supports sustainable farming practices but also results in meat that's more flavorful and nutrient-rich. With the right meat, you've laid the foundation for a truly unforgettable burger. Scene script. Once you have your meat, it's time to form your patties. Now this is where the magic begins. Forming the patties is an art in itself, but don't worry, it's a simple process, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, divide your meat into equal portions. Each portion should be about 1/4 to 1/3 of a pound. This ensures that your patties are all the same size, which is essential for even cooking. Now gently shape each portion into a ball. Remember, the key here is to handle the meat as little as possible. Overworking the meat can lead to tough burgers, and nobody wants that. Just gently press and shape the meat, letting it naturally come together. Once you have your meatball, it's time to flatten it into a patty. Place the ball of meat between your palms and gently press down. You're aiming for a patty that's about 1/2 inch thick. This thickness is just right to give you a juicy, tender burger that's cooked perfectly all the way through. Now here's a pro tip for you. Make a small indentation in the center of each patty. This is called a dimple, and it's your secret weapon against puffing up on the grill. You see, as the meat cooks, it contracts, which can cause the center to puff up. But the dimple helps the patty maintain its shape, ensuring an even cook and a flat surface for your toppings. And there you have it. Beautiful burger patties, ready for the grill. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. These patties are the heart of your classic American hamburger, and you've shaped them to perfection. Now that your patties are formed, they're ready for some seasoning. When it comes to seasoning your patties, simplicity is key. In the world of burgers, there's a vast array of seasonings to choose from. From exotic spices to secret family recipes, the options may seem endless. Yet for a classic American hamburger, we're going to stick with the tried and true staples, good old salt and black pepper. These two simple ingredients pack a punch when it comes to enhancing the natural taste of your beef. They work together to create a beautiful, savory crust that is just irresistible. But remember, timing is everything. Season your patties generously on both sides right before they hit the grill. This prevents the salt from drawing out too much moisture from the meat, ensuring you get a juicy, flavorful burger. So with the right meat chosen, perfectly formed patties, and a simple, effective seasoning strategy, you're well on your way to burger bliss. With your patties seasoned, it's time to fire up the grill. Grilling your patties is an art in itself. It's a dance of timing, temperature, and technique, culminating in a symphony of flavors that make every bite a delight. This is where the magic happens, where all our previous steps meld together to create the heart of our classic American hamburger. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Your grill should be preheated to medium-high heat. That's the sweet spot for achieving a beautifully seared crust while keeping the interior of your patty juicy and tender. The radiant heat from your grill is just as important as direct contact with the grates. It cooks the patty evenly and helps it retain its natural juices. Here's a pro tip. Resist the urge to press down on the patties with your spatula. It may be tempting to do so, but you'll only be squeezing out those precious juices, resulting in a dry patty. Let's keep all that flavor where it belongs, shall we? Flipping the patties is a crucial step. You've got one shot at this, so make it count. Flipping only once achieves the ideal sear and allows the patties to cook evenly. You'll know it's time to flip when you see juices pooling on the top surface of the patty. Be gentle and let the spatula do the work. For medium rare burgers which are slightly pink in the middle and bursting with flavor, aim for about 4 minutes per side. Remember, your patties will continue to cook a bit even after they're off the grill due to residual heat, so it's better to err on the side of undercooking rather than risk overcooking. And there you have it. The sizzle of the grill, the tantalizing aroma of grilled meat, the anticipation of that first juicy bite. It's all part of the wonderful world of grilling. With your patties perfectly grilled, it's time to build your burger. But that's a story for our next scene. Until then, keep those coals hot and those grills ready. Building your burger is where the fun really begins. It's like creating a culinary masterpiece, where each layer adds to the symphony of flavors. So let's get started. First off, we have our nicely toasted buns. Toasting the buns not only adds a pleasant crunch, but it also creates a barrier that prevents the bun from getting soggy from the juicy patty. Next, a fresh, crisp leaf of lettuce. This isn't just for the crunch, it also acts as a barrier, protecting the bottom bun from the juices of the patty, ensuring every bite stays perfectly balanced. Now, for the star of our show, the juicy, perfectly grilled patty. Placed right on the bed of lettuce, it's already looking irresistible, isn't it? Then, a slice of ripe red tomato goes on top of the patty. The slight tanginess of the tomato is a perfect contrast to the savory patty. Now, we can't forget the onions. Just a couple of rings will do. Their sharp flavor and crunchy texture add another layer of complexity to our burger. Next up, pickles. The tart, crunchy pickles add a necessary zing, cutting through the richness of the patty and cheese, providing an unexpected yet delightful flavor burst. And of course, a classic American burger wouldn't be complete without a slice of cheese. Lay it on top of the warm patty. The heat will slightly melt the cheese, making it gooey and even more delicious. Finally, top it off with the other half of your toasted bun. And voila! A towering monument to all things delicious. But remember, this is your burger. Feel free to swap out ingredients, add your favorites, and make it truly your own. And there you have it. A classic American hamburger ready to be enjoyed. Whether you're at a backyard barbecue or a cozy dinner at home, this burger is sure to be a hit. So grab that burger, take a big bite, and savor the symphony of flavors. Happy grilling. So, are you ready to dig into your creation? From choosing the perfect blend of ground chuck and sirloin, to forming those tender half-inch patties, you've been on quite a culinary journey. Remember how we seasoned them simply with salt and pepper for that iconic savory crust? And the grilling. Oh, the grilling. Only one flip on medium-high heat to achieve that impeccable sear. Let's not forget the joy of building your burger with toasted buns, fresh lettuce, ripe tomatoes, tangy pickles, and of course the irresistible cheese. Each layer adding a unique flavor, each bite a mouthful of delight. Now it's your turn to put on the apron and create your own classic American hamburger. We can't wait to see your unique takes on this timeless favorite. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your burger creations with us. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes.